The end of an era? Disney Channel rumors explained. Have you heard the whispers? Is Disney Channel disappearing? The rumors are spreading like wildfire. Across the internet, people are talking. Social media is buzzing with speculation. Some say it's already gone. But don't panic just yet. The truth is a little more complicated. It's not as simple as it seems. Disney Channel has been a huge part of many childhoods. It's where we found magic and adventure. From Lizzie McGuire to Hannah Montana, it brought us unforgettable moments. It's where we discovered stars. But times change, and so do viewing habits. Today, fewer people watch regular TV. The shift to digital is undeniable. We prefer streaming services like Netflix and, you guessed it, DisneyPlus. It's the new norm. This change is a big reason for the rumors. People are curious and concerned. Disney knows where the viewers are going. They're adapting to the new landscape. They're investing heavily in DisneyPlus. It's their future. So, it makes sense that people wonder about the future of Disney Channel. Is it fading away? Is there even room for both? Only time will tell. From cable king to streaming hopeful, why the whispers won't stop. Remember when cable TV was king? You needed it to watch your favorite shows and movies. Those days are fading fast, almost disappearing. Streaming is the new king now. It's cheaper and more convenient for everyone. Watch what you want, when you want it. DisneyPlus is Disney's big bet on this future. It's their own streaming platform like Netflix, but for all things Disney. And it's doing really well. Millions of people subscribe. They love the classic movies, new shows, and Marvel content. This success makes Disney Channel's future uncertain. Why keep pouring money into cable when everyone's streaming? It's like keeping a horse-drawn carriage when everyone else drives modern cars. Gone but not forgotten, Disney Channel around the world. The beloved channel that brought joy to millions of kids and families across the globe has seen some significant changes in recent years. Here's a surprising fact. Disney Channel has already shut down in some countries. This has left many fans heartbroken and nostalgic for the good old days. In 2020, it vanished from the UK, a country where it had a massive following and a rich history of entertaining young audiences. Then, in 2021, Australia said goodbye to Disney Channel, marking the end of an era for many Australian families who grew up watching its shows. Parts of Europe followed suit, with several countries seeing the channel go dark. Why these closures, you ask? It all goes back to the rise of streaming services. The way people consume content has drastically changed over the years. Disney decided it made more sense to focus on DisneyPlus in those regions, offering a more modern and flexible way to enjoy their favorite shows. They moved some of the most beloved Disney Channel shows to the platform, ensuring that fans could still access their favorite content. So while the channel itself disappeared, the content lived on, continuing to bring smiles to faces young and old. These closures fueled the rumors about a potential global shutdown of Disney Channel, causing quite a stir among fans worldwide. If Disney Channel could vanish in the UK and Australia, why not everywhere else? This question has been on the minds of many. It's a valid question, and it leads to a lot of uncertainty and speculation about the future of Disney Channel around the world. The future is uncertain. What about US viewers? So what about the big question? Is Disney Channel shutting down in the US? This is a concern for many loyal viewers who have grown up with the channel and its beloved characters. As of today, December 3rd, 2024, there's no official announcement. Disney has been tight-lipped about any potential shutdowns, leaving fans in a state of suspense. We haven't heard goodbye from Mickey Mouse yet. The iconic character still represents the heart and soul of Disney, and his presence is a comforting sign for many. However, the writing might be on the wall. Industry trends and corporate strategies often speak louder than words. The trend is clear. Disney is prioritizing streaming. With platforms like DisneyPlus gaining massive popularity, the shift towards digital is undeniable. They see it as the future of entertainment, and they're putting their resources behind it. This strategic move is aimed at capturing the growing market of online viewers. This doesn't necessarily mean Disney Channel will vanish overnight. Traditional TV still holds a significant place in many households. They might keep it running for a while, especially in the US where it's still popular. The channel has a dedicated fan base that continues to tune in, but the long-term future is uncertain. As the media landscape evolves, so too must the strategies of even the biggest entertainment giants. One thing's for sure, streaming is changing how we watch TV, and Disney Channel won't be immune to those changes. The way we consume content is evolving and Disney is adapting to stay ahead.